The pants cutting puzzle. The most challenging part, the crotch curve. Why? Well, it's where fabric physics gets a little provocative. You are balancing comfort, mobility, and style. Too shallow, you are doing a pants split with the seat. Too deep, you are auditioning for a saggy diaper role. Got more questions? Ask away in the comments. Unlocking the secrets of pants cutting, a beginner's guide. First, ensure your edges are straight. We're gonna take all of our vertical measurements this way. Our first vertical measurement is the crotch depth. You can measure on the body or just use the standard formulas. We mark our crotch depth and draw a horizontal line connecting the points. Next, we draw lines for our knee length, calf length, and the entire length. The calf length is usually 4 to 5 inches from the knee length. If you're gonna have a waistband, subtract the desired length from the entire length. Add about 2 inches hem allowance to the entire length. Now we have all our horizontal lines drawn. This is the crotch depth. This is the knee length, calf length, the entire length, and the hem allowance. We go ahead and divide our waist by 4 plus allowance and mark up this place. Next, on this line, divide hip by 4 plus allowance. Allowance is usually 0.5 to 1 inches. Measure this point and transfer this measurement here. Connect these 2 points, preferably using a French curve if you can't do it freehand. This curve is called the crotch curve. Our front pattern is a bit slower here, so from the waistline, go down by 1 inch and make a slant. Next, the gaiter, a midpoint for the rest of our around leg measurements. This line right here is gonna serve as the midpoint for all our around leg measurements. We start with the hem circumference. Divide all leg measurements by 2. Find the midpoint, align it to the gaiter, and mark the point. Bring in a ruler and a hip curve to connect the points like this. On the hem allowance, use a mirror-like effect to avoid puckering of fabric when folding the hem. Experienced fashion designers know what I'm saying. This is the front pattern, just go ahead and cut it out. Label this front. You're gonna need 2 of these because we have 2 legs. We mirrored this place to avoid shortage of fabric that will cause puckering when folding the hem. Now to cut our back pattern, we trace this part. Displace the front by about 2 inches here and about 3 inches here. Extend the crotch line. Raise this slant by 2 inches and draw a line passing through that point. Extend here by 1 inch and draw a vertical line passing through that point, connecting the top of the back and the crotch extension. Draw the back crotch curve. Let me just highlight this line. Trace it out like this with a scissors or any appropriate cording equipment. You're gonna need 2 of it because you've only drafted for 1 leg.